Oh, yep, that's nice. In today's video, we're gonna make McDonald's cheeseburgers at home. They're gonna taste better, they're gonna be cheaper, they're gonna be better for you. And where did I get this idea? Well, just recently I watched the movie The Founder, the story of Ray Croc. And it inspired me to take you back to where it all began and make the original cheeseburger. And you can actually follow along at home and make it for yourself. It's gonna taste amazing, and it's so quick, so easy, and so cheap to do. So let's do it. We're gonna give it the taste test, we're gonna give it the sniffy sniff, and I'm gonna take you along for the journey. So let's go. Cheeseburger time, cheeseburger time. So for this recipe, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some hamburger or cheeseburger buns. These are the broish buns from Coles. You're also gonna need some beef patties. These beef patties are from a company called Farm Foods, and they're the basil, parsley, and tomato beef patties. I think they're gonna be ideal for our homemade cheeseburgers. You're gonna need some cheese, obviously. Cheeseburgers, you're gonna need some cheese. And we wanna get that plasticky cheese like that. So this is ideal. You wanna get this cheese. We need an onion. We need some gherkins. And you need some ketchup or tomato sauce and some American mustard. That's all the ingredients. So now let's start assembling. All right, you need a sharp knife. First, let's cut these bread rolls and put them in the toaster, getting them ready. All right, so we'll cut these. Now the bread rolls we got, if you have a look at them, they're shiny type and they're quite soft. Because when you push them down, they come exactly back to how they were before. We're going to put these in the toaster and start the toasting process. Then olive oil in the pan. And you want to make sure your pan is nice and hot. And you want to get your beef burgers on. So we're going to go straight in with the beef burgers. Alright, so while those beef burgers are cooking, now it's time to chop up your onion and your gherkins. So you just want to clean the onion. Quickly chop up the other onion. And now we'll just chop up the gherkins. While we're chopping up the gherkins, the bread rolls are now ready. When that's doing the last bit on the burger, I just get the cheese ready. So it's all ready to go. So now we're going to melt the cheese. Lay the cheese over the burger like that. While that's doing that, you just want to lay your cheese on the bread. Now we're going to lay the burger on the bread, just like that. And now you want to go on with some onion and some pickle. Then you got the tops. You need to give it a squirt of tomato sauce or ketchup, like that. And then a bit of mustard. Oh, you open. There you go. And then a bit of mustard. And then you got a bit of mustard. Once you get the mustard on and it doesn't explode, you do it properly, then you're ready to assemble the burger. Now, I am a bit more generous than McDonald's. I put 4 pickles and a little bit more onion, so that's how I like to do it. Makes it taste a little bit better. So now, let's assemble, and then we'll go in for the sniffy sniff, and we'll go in for the taste test. Oh, cheeseburger, we're ready for you. Ready for the assemble. Alright, let's go in for the sniffy sniff. First off, look at these beautiful cheeseburgers I just whipped up. Don't they look amazing? They look pretty nice. So let's go in for the sniffy sniff. Oh man, these actually smell like McDonald's cheeseburgers. They actually smell amazing. I wish you were here to smell these with me. This took literally 10 minutes to make, not even. It didn't even cost hardly anything, and we got some amazing homemade cheeseburgers. This is where it all began. Alright, so let's go in for the taste test. Look at it. Look at it. Ready for the taste test? Oh man. That is how you make a cheeseburger. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, the flavors. Oh. Woo, woo. Yeah, that is a cheeseburger. Look at it. McDonald's, respect it. That's 10 out of 10. That is so nice. That is a 10 out of 10. Forget 5 out of 5. That's a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend you try this at home. There's hardly any ingredients, it's so easy to make, and it tastes so good. Really good, guys. If you like cooking stuff at home and you want to make a nice meal for the kids that they're going to love, a special treat, you just want to make it because it tastes awesome. You watch the Founder movie and you say, stuff it, let's just make some cheeseburgers. You need to try this at home. It is so good. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more and more and more food reviews, cooking, adventures, and all the goodness that's on this channel, you need to subscribe. You need to press the little bell to get notified. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it on social media, and until next time. Oh, yep, I can't even do it because I'm so excited of how this tastes. It's killed it. It's absolutely killed my train of thought. My mouth's still tingling from how good that tastes. All right, ready? Oh, yep, that's nice.